Okay, continuing from where we stopped. So you can actually be able to say 2 to 2 to 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5 awawa akali 2. Okay, as we did. Okay, then inayo 5 or 6 to maximum. You can just say maximum. This must be equal to 3, and that can be any Jim and Jack. So those ones you can actually say they are Muslims and others. So you can, if you can tab now religion, these are the categories. So you can actually see that it's 1, 2, 3. That's the way it has recorded. Then using the technique of labeling, you can label to say religion 1. Okay, you can label variable real, this is equal to religion like that. Okay, so you can actually bring it like that, and then you can say label def, in this case real 1 is equal to 1 is equal to Catholic. Okay, 2 is equal to Protestant. Everyone is like that. And 3 this one is Muslims and plus you can actually say plus, implying Muslim and others, and then you can actually say label value religion, so that you can stamp, then you say tab real. So this is actually the values that we have. So when you do this, it means that you have cleaned how many variables? You have got 3 variables that we can be able to use. So you can be able to say, now I want to look at the factors which is influencing frequency of listening to radio. So before you do that, you must be able to do a standard practice to check what your data is all about. So you can actually say, first of all, if it is TVW, you tab this. So TWV, you tab that. Okay, what is it? TVW. Yeah, so why is not coming? Okay, so you can do that. So you can draw a graph to represent this observation, so that people should know out of 24%, 24,000, which is 100%, you had 5%, which is 22%, that were having a good frequency of patroning the TV, and we have got only this one, 19%, which were not. You can actually see Malawi is really a country that people that don't have much TVs in the rural areas. In general. So you can actually see in terms of the radio, the percentages are almost at par. So you can be able to say, maybe your topic was to look at the factors which are influencing people in Malawi to access media such as television and radio. So you can actually see that the hypothesis is on determinant of media access, the case of TV and radio. So you can be able to present the description out of 24,000, how many, and then when you do that, you have got some determinants which you are looking at. So one determinant is education. So you can actually, is it by education, is it by religion, and at the same time, is it by place of residence, which is equal to this. Okay, so when you do, you have got 3 variables. You can either present them as such, or you can be able to present them by those particular statements that you have. So what you can do is to combine the two so that you cannot have challenges. Then you can actually look at them to say the simplest way, the way I look at it, you can just say by sort, which is BYS, by sort, this one, TVW. Okay, you can actually say tab or present tab V106, sorry. And when you do this, you have splitted them into two. This is the distribution of those people with no TV, and this is the distribution of people with TV. So you can actually see the total. So you can put them side by side. Those that said yes, they have got TV, no without TV, you can actually have them like that. And then you can continue those without TV. Okay, by religion, you just come here and change by religion. So this is actually the descriptive statistics divided by religion, and even by place of residence. It's V025. So you can actually represent them as that. It's categorized by religion. Why am I doing this? It's because they are categorical variables. That's why I'm using them like that. The thing would have been different if they were not categorical. Okay, so on the other part now, so this is actually the descriptive statistics, just show the frequency. But if you want to look at the inferential statistics, then you can be able to tab this and the TVW. Okay, and then you can actually say maybe statistical significance, you want the chi-square. So you can be able to actually take it in this particular way, so that this inferential statistics is called bivariate analysis, where you are comparing to see the association between this dependent variable and the independent, and this independent variable and the dependent. That's why you can see it is giving me the same frequency, yes or no, but at this moment it is giving me even the probability p-value for the chi-square value at that particular moment. Okay, so let me just stop a while.